Hello, Miki.
Yeah.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Good. So today we are talking about the pros and cons of having a cat.
I'm in
N-
the pen.
Now, tell me about this one, Miki.
This the cat licking is good
It's
to protect ourselves.
sorry, say that again, Miki.
To protect my by ourselves
Clean itself.
in itself.
Good. And how does it clean itself?
Clean itself like that.
Yeah, and what was the word, Miki? Lick.
Lick,
Lick itself.
lick itself.
Good. Now, what's this one here, Mickey?
You know, where
This one here.
licking,
No,
licking the need walking.
don't need walks.
It works.
Now, what do cats do during the day?
Cat doing in the bed. The cat sleeping.
Good. What else do they do?
So play.
So, do they play?
Yes.
Who do they play with?
The friend.
Good, good, good. And now, do you remember this one, Mickey?
Where? Where?
Do you see?
Ah. By a little box.
Use a litter box.
A little box.
Good. Why do they use a litter box, Mickey?
A little box. Why? Because the cat will pee or poop.
Yes, in it. Yep. Now, do you remember what this one is, Mickey?
It's a sofa. It's by a, a, a small house.
Good, good. And this last one here, do you remember this one?
By quiet and clean.
Good, good, good. Now, the negative, the cons, the no's. What's
The
this one down here? Do you remember?
scratching something.
Yep, good, good, good. Now, what do you think of this? Is this good or bad?
It's scratching.
Yep. Is it
So,
bad?
yes,
Why is it bad, Mickey?
everything will be broken.
Yep, good, good, good. Now, what's this one here?
It's for something. The
What's
cat jumping in the table.
on the table?
The cat will be explore everything.
Yep, yep, good, good, good. Hey, now, what about this one here?
Now, hop again. If I hop, I hate the cat. I don't want to hop. I want to throw it in the sky. I
Yep,
hate that.
yep.
Yeah.
Hey, good. Now, what animal, what, good. Thank you, Mickey. What animal do you like to hug?
I like to hug rabbit because I like color white. So the rabbit so cute when they was born. When when they was born, they really cute. I like the rabbit was born. It's really cute, adorable.
Good, thank you. Now, what's this last cat doing?
The cat don't sleep a lot.
Good, good. And would you wake the cat up?
Huh?
Would you, what do you do if the cat is asleep?
I I wake it up.
Good. Do you wake it up and try to hug the cat?
No, I keep the cat flying in the way like this. Like this.
Thank you, Miki. Yeah. Thank you, Miki. Well done.